Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error when you can't delete some apps on your mobile, on your iPhone. So for fixing this error, first thing you need to try is to restart your phone. So just keep pressing home button and just wait until it will show you that slide to power off. So just slide to power off and just turn on after it will restart your phone. And after, if it doesn't help you, you can also try to go to settings. In the settings, you need to scroll down until you will see here general, and in the general you need to find a phone storage, so just open it, and from here you need to choose app you want to delete and try to delete this app from here. So for example, I will open Telegram, and here you can see that I can also click on delete app and it will successfully delete this app from this menu. So this is how it works. So I hope that one of these two methods will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.